morning, Cromer kids. It's a new day working remotely. And do you know what today is? It's our last day of remote work learning. And after spring break, we return to Cromer, and I'm so excited. And so today is Friday, March 12th. And we do have spring break all next week, and we return to Cromer on March 22nd. That's going to be a great day. We do have a lot of birthdays to celebrate today and over our spring break. So we have Taylor, Diego, Amelia, Christy, Bruce, and Dee Dee. Oh, Bruce, I spelled your name wrong. I'll have to change that. Sorry, Bruce. We have Thomas, Darius, Augie, Brandon, Rosalie, Josh, and Justin, Ty, Andrew, and Vincent. Happy birthday to all of you. I hope it's a great day. And for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, for breakfast, we have pancakes, we have cheeseburger, and we have a corn dog. And remembering that your family can look on the FUSD website and find the grab and go menu there, and you can find all the details. And when we do return, we will still be a grab and go site. You can get breakfast and lunch at Cromer. And I found a new quote, and it is about spring. And I think I told you, I visited our garden the other day, and we have little tiny baby shoots coming up. And last year when we left, our bulbs were just starting to bloom, and they are too. They're going to be coming up. So please remember to look at them, but don't pick them so that they will come back next year. And this one says, spring work is going on with joyful enthusiasm. And at this point in time, if you could stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by that moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, kids. That wildcat always wishes us to have a great day. It is Friday. It is Assembly Day, so I turn it over to Mr. Davis. Woohoo!
Trey tracks, I think we got one. Yeah.
Let me see you yeah, I know that you can talk, but let me see if you can walk. Let me see you walk. Yeah, I know that you can talk, but let me see if you can walk. Walking like I'm talking, I'm a big stepper. Make a little money, leave a little on the dresser. Dapper Dan in my Gucci sweater. I'm a savage, sassy, sedity. Yeah, I'm paid, poppin', pretty. Let me see you walk. Let me see you walk. Let me see you walk. See if you can walk. Let me see you walk.
Trey tracks, I think we got one.
Yeah. Let me see you walk. Yeah, I know that you can talk, but let me see if you can walk. Let me see you walk. Yeah, I know that you can talk, but let me see if you can walk. Walking like I'm talking, I'm a big stepper. Make a little money, leave a little on the dresser. Dapper Dan in my Gucci sweater. I'm a savage, sassy, sedity. Yeah, I'm paid, poppin', pretty. Let me see you walk. Let me see you walk. Let me see you walk. See if you can walk. Let me see you walk.
Trey tracks, I think we got one.
Yeah. Let me see you walk. Yeah, I know that you can talk, but let me see if you can walk. Let me see you walk. Yeah, I know that you can talk, but let me see if you can walk. Walking like I'm talking, I'm a big stepper. Make a little money, leave a little on the dresser. Dapper Dan in my Gucci sweater.
we that one.
Yeah.
That
Let me
season,
see
bro.
you walk. Yeah, I know that you can talk, but let me see if you can walk. Let me see you walk. Yeah, I know that you can talk, but let me see if you can walk. Walking like I talk it, I'm a big stepper. Make a little money, leave a little on the dresser. Dapper Dan in my Gucci sweater. I'm a savage.
Miss Fisher here. My shout out this week goes to Susie and Brandon in Miss Marquardt's class for coming to art yesterday, even though they had a field trip and we had all the internet issues. Good job, you guys.
Hey, Mr. Davis here. I want to shout out everyone for doing a great job in virtual learning. Really excited to see a lot of you after spring break in person. I want to shout out Mr. Hernandez, 5th grade class, and James and Will. Thank you.
Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Jones. I just want to tell everybody have a great spring break. I am excited to see you. Be safe and see you soon. Mr. Here, my shout out goes to Spencer in 4th grade. Thank you.
It's not here. My shout out is to all of you. You guys have been amazing. I'm so excited to see you after spring break.
Get everything you got and enjoy your spring break! Woo!
Hi, this is Mrs. Harkey, and I just want to give a big shout out from myself and from Miss Flower. We both wanted to shout you, everyone out and from our class, for working so hard, especially on this crazy short week with conferences. And we hope you all have a wonderful spring break, and we can't wait to see some of you coming back in person with us right after spring break.
Hi, it's Miss Oliva. I want to give a shout out to my whole class as well. You guys have worked so hard even with these short days, and on Thursday you got your stuff done without even having me. So you guys rocked it, and I can't wait to see some of you next Monday.
Hi, it's Mrs. Lee, and I'd like to shout out Adeline. I'd like to shout out Adeline for working so hard in small group this week, and I cannot wait to meet you guys. Can't wait to see you after spring break.
Miss Sharp here, and I wanted to give a whole shout out to my class for doing amazing this week. I know it was kind of funky, getting to see the new classroom before it was all set up and what you'll see on Monday and whatnot. But I especially wanted to give a great big shout out to Max. Every time we have a science discussion, you just blow me away with your knowledge. So thank you for always participating. I appreciate it. We'll see you guys here on Monday. Have a great one.
Hi, 5th grade. It's Miss Weeby. I wanted to shout out students for really pushing through the whole 3 quarters and making everything fun and funny and helping us to all get through the year. Can't wait to see you.
Hi, 5th grade, it's Miss Wells. I just wanted to thank Miss Weeby's class for their excellent participation and having their cameras on yesterday. Keep up the good work, and it's so awesome to see you guys.
Hello, 5th grade. I'm Mr. Hernandez. I can't wait to see you all, and thank you for working hard this whole school year. You've given us 3 quarters of hard work. We've had some fun. We've had some tough days, but I do appreciate everything that you've done. So I can't wait to come back from spring break to work with you all.
Hey, Mr. Pitcher here. I also would like to thank everybody for hanging in for 3 quarters of a very difficult school year. You guys have done really well with this remote schooling. So just want to thank the whole class.
Hi, it's Miss Apana. I also wanted to thank our whole class. We're really excited to see everyone coming back in person after spring break. For everyone still staying remote, we're happy that you still get to stay with us in the class. So
thanks, 5th grade.
Miss Lambert from 3rd grade EPA, and I just want to say a big thanks to all of my 3rd grade class for making my first quarter of student teaching the best experience ever.
And Miss Emerson here, and I just want to shout out to the parents. Thank you so much for supporting us through this incredible year, all the way from August to now. You've done a great job supporting your children and supporting us, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for the great conferences, and we'll see you on March 22nd. All right, have a great spring break.
Bye, guys.
Happy Friday, Wildcats. Miss Will here with an EPA 4 shout out for Ryder G. Even with our schedule changes this week, internet outages, an asynchronous learning day, you did not miss any of my Canvas assignments, and you also continued to work in Dreambox and Lexia, and you have completed another level in Lexia. Nice job. Way to be a Wildcat that truly does roar. And another special shout out to my EPA 4 families for conferencing with me this week, and for all of the families who have supported me and our students this school year. I really couldn't do it without you, and I look forward to continuing to work with you through the fourth quarter. Have a good weekend.
Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 39, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 71, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Okay, now you have to count by tens.
I know 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
You can stop it.